Stuttgart 21, Germany. Stuttgart 21 is a large-scale railway and urban development project in Germany, aimed at transforming Stuttgart's central station into an underground high-speed hub. Initially planned in the mid-1990s with a budget of 4.5 billion euros and a completion date of 2019, the project has faced delays and cost overruns, now exceeding 9 billion euros with a new target of 2025. Stuttgart 21 seeks to improve rail connectivity along the Stuttgart-Ulm corridor, reduce travel times, and boost capacity for regional and long-distance trains. The project's complexity stems from the need to reroute existing tracks, construct underground stations, and bore 60 kilometers of tunnels. These technical challenges have been exacerbated by unexpected geological issues, such as unstable soil around Stuttgart's basin, requiring extra reinforcements and driving up costs. Public opposition has also played a significant role in delays. Environmental concerns, the loss of green spaces, and the partial demolition of Stuttgart's historic station have sparked protests. Public demonstrations in the early 2010s forced project leaders to modify some aspects of the design to address these concerns, further slowing progress. Political and bureaucratic hurdles have added to the delays. Shifts in government leadership affected political support, while extensive regulatory requirements for environmental assessments and construction permits stretched the timeline. Once completed, Stuttgart 21 is expected to enhance rail efficiency, cut travel times between Stuttgart and Ulm, and open 100 hectares of land for urban development. Despite the setbacks, the project promises to transform Stuttgart's infrastructure and improve Germany's rail network. But it has become a symbol of the challenges faced in executing large infrastructure projects.